So I'm hanging out in my hangar today, working on my airplane, and I see my neighbor slash buddy, Austin. And, you know, we like to talk smack to each other and just have a good old time. And anyways, I wanted to give him a sticker, one of the new 112 Adventure stickers. I hand him a sticker, and he says to me, he's like, "Oh, 112 Adventures. It's like your tail number, 112. And I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh, and I get it now." He's like, "I thought it had to do with the Fibonacci sequence." And I was like, "Oh yeah, that's exactly what it is, the Fibonacci sequence." What is the Fibonacci sequence again? And then he goes on to tell me this whole thing about the mathematical sequence of the numbers 112, and then it goes on from there. And it's this whole sequence that basically like 1 + 1 is 2, and 1 + 2 is 3, and goes on and on and on. And it creates this pattern, which happens to also look like a nautilus, and all these other correlations. This is all just off my sticker, by the way. And he goes into this whole thing about how there's all these correlations in mathematics and nature that have to do with the Fibonacci sequence, everything from nature and beauty. And he's going to have to explain this better than me. But I mean, he just went on. And I was like, "How do you know all this stuff?" And he was like, "Well, I happen to have a degree in mathematics." I was like, "Oh, okay, that makes sense." Talking about like the ratio of your eyes to your face and how that's like a natural beauty thing, and the nautilus, and it appears in all these different parts of nature. And I'm like, wow, 112. I had no idea. That's part of the Fibonacci sequence. So pretty cool. I'm still kind of jazzed about that. Just kind of a happy accident, 112. And yeah, I'm gonna get a video with him, have him explain a little bit better. But if you guys haven't heard, Fibonacci sequence.